Hey, you are welcome again to another beautiful tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom light leak in Adobe After Effects. We're going to create something like this. So support me on this one, hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Come back and then let's get started. Create a new composition, make it any resolution of your choice, choose your frame per second, and then choose your composition duration, and then name your composition, then hit OK. Right click on your timeline, go to new, and then create a new solid layer. So I'm gonna hit the make comp size and then name this light leak, then hit OK. Go to your effect and preset and look for fractal noise. Drag and drop it into the new solid layer. We are going to make some changes to this effect control parameters. Change the fractal noise type to dynamic progressive, and then change the noise type to spline. Set contrast value to 350 and then brightness to -70. Set complexity to 2. Expand the transform option right here. Make sure the uniform scale is checked and scale this to 1500. On the evolution option right here, hold down the Alt key and click on this stopwatch right here. Then on the composition timeline, type in this code: time asterisk 140. This will make the fractal noise move in time. Beautiful. Go to your effects and control and search for colorama. Drag and drop it into your solid layer. So we are going to make some changes also to this colorama right here. On the output cycle, you will find your color. You can choose from the presets available right here, so many of them. Any preset you like, you can use from this, but I'm gonna set a simple one for this. So I'm gonna use this solar green. One more thing, you can add more colors on your own by clicking on this and setting a color. You can move this around to set the position of the colors. You can add as much as you want. If you do not need any other color, you can drag and take it out of the cycle. Now we have created the light leaks, so let's apply it to our footage. Switch this back to your project manager window. I got a footage from pexels.com. You can go there, they have amazing footages there you can download and use. Drag and drop your footages into your project manager window. Drag your footage below the solid layers. On the mode option right here, change the mode to add. So there you have it. You can apply this to any footage of your choice. This is how to create a custom light leak in Adobe After Effects. So if you find this video useful, let's show this to more people. By liking this video, that will help the algorithm suggest this video to more people. Until I see you again on the next one, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.